Just because you're an expert doesn't mean you're always right. Today on Invest For You, we'll be covering 4 times financial experts got things very wrong. Let's get into the video. Number 4, the Ctrip International misprediction. Ctrip International is a Chinese travel agency that has been prospering quite well, but it has been losing shares because financial experts have predicted that the company will face a loss in the coming years. Their fears are based on the ever-growing trade war in China and the eventual slowdown. However, this company has been growing steadily and proving all these predictions to be incorrect. Ctrip International keeps maintaining its position as the largest online travel agency in China, and it has a growth rate of about 45%. This high growth rate has remained stable for 5 years now. The annual net income of this company is also increasing by about 25% every year. The slowdown that financial experts are so concerned about seems to have been averted by China's 6% rise in annual growth rate as an economy. This has led to the de-escalation of the trade war that has been a part of the prediction. Ctrip International has been successful in rising above business analysts' expectations and proving them wrong every time.
Finished products pop out at the end.
Number 3, Elon Musk Tesla Model 3. A lot of hype has resounded with Elon Musk's genius creations, but he faced pessimism from financial experts when he was about to launch his Tesla 3 model. The first claim was that Musk couldn't mass produce the Tesla 3 model in as high a number as he had promised. Musk proved these predictions to be wrong by manufacturing about 7,000 models, out of which 5,000 were Tesla Model 3 cars. Financial experts then jumped their following conclusion that Musk would go bankrupt after this bold move. Elon Musk, the CEO and founder of Tesla, proved them all wrong over again when Tesla's Model 3 became the USA's best-selling car. So the new prediction is that Tesla may lose the game when other car builders start entering the competition involving smart engines.
The interior, the exterior, including things that people probably won't even notice.
Number 2, the Water Corporation downgrade. Water Corporation already owns the position of the largest liquid chromatography business. It caters to the needs of the pharmaceutical industry and biochemical markets for instruments while also making up for 90% of the revenue. Water Corporation has been under the blow of 3 downgrades in shareholding since 2019. Shareholders like JP Morgan, Janney Capital, and Goldman Sachs have been growing increasingly skeptical under financial advisors' influence in withdrawing their shares. However, the company has been pointing out analysts' mispredictions by their 3.7% growth almost every quarter.
Irrigating gardens. We also pump this water underground to help recharge.
Number 1, the motor company, Ford. Ford Motor Company lost its place in the good books of financial experts in 2018 when its market capitalization came down by almost 43%. Its annual revenue has also not been up to the mark for about 5 years. The growth rate is only 3.3% every year. Ford Motor Company is a fitting example of how influential financial experts' opinion can be. Even if it's not always correct, this company has been at the mercy of upgrades and downgrades for years now. As Ford eventually loses its ground under the uncertainty in shareholding, financial experts are growing more and more intolerant against investing in this company. They're going to ignore the company, which is perhaps a more polite version of putting it in a negative light. The above instances make it evident that financial experts might get things very wrong. However, sometimes companies are capable enough of recovering from their pessimistic blows. A lot depends on how a business is perceived, and keeping an open mind is beneficial to investors. A sudden unconventional investment might be your jackpot. When financial experts go out of their comfort zones to make business decisions, those are the ones that could turn out to be fruitful.
Trucks are built Ford tough, but with all the new tech that's been added, the 2021 F-150.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.